Today we're going to take a look at how to print on the 3D printer your ring files. So I have two saved to the flash drive, and the flash drive is plugged into this computer. The computer is connected to the 3D printer, the Afinia 3D printer. I turn the power button on the back, and the light on the side of the printer is initialized and it is no longer red, and then we're ready to go. So I'm going to take and click on my Afinia Studio software. When this window pops up, I'm going to select yes. On the computer, after it loads, I'm going to click on the build button. And the first thing I want to do is, this is my build area, I'm going to click on my plus to add, and I want to click this first one where I'm going to add from the file. I want to go to this left hand side, and you're probably going to have to scroll down towards the bottom, and I want to find my USB drive to go from. You're going to choose the hour folder that you're in, and you're going to choose the ring that's in there. Okay, it should be your last name, ring, and it should be an STL file. And click open. Your model is going to come in pretty big, and it's 2.4 times it's been enlarged. You're going to click OK. We're going to fix that by going up here into the right hand side where it says scale. I'm going to click on scale. I'm going to select where it says 1.0, and I'm going to change that scale factor to 3937, and then I'm going to click the little blue check mark here, and that's going to make it the right size. I'm going to auto place, click this button here to auto place. Now I'm going to go get my next file. So I have two people in my group. I'm going to take and add two to print at the same time. I'm going to click plus, add again. I'm going to grab my second ring, click open. It's also going to put it on way too big, so I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go to my scale, and I'm going to once again click and change this to 0.3937 and green check mark. I'm going to auto place again, and watch how the two rings automatically place themselves on the build platform. Okay, that's good. Next, I need to take care of my printer. I'm going to come over here to the calibrate button. I'm going to click on calibrate, and first I opened up the door of the 3D printer and made sure there isn't any plastic dripping out the nozzle that solidified on there. I have a clean nozzle. I'm going to nozzle detect, and it's going to take a little bit. It's going to advance forward and raise the table up. Then it's going to move really slow until the nozzle is detected, and then it'll give you a menu that says we found it, and it's going to look something like this. That's going to pop up on the screen here shortly, right here, and you're going to click confirm. Save succeeded, click OK, and then if you want, you can confirm it again down here and click OK. That menu will disappear. Next, we're ready to print. So we're going to take and click our print button. We want to have 65% fill. That's selected right here. And we're going to click on print. Now, it's not automatically going to go. Oh, if this comes up, make sure you have enough material in there, and then click yes to proceed. If this comes up and you're not sure, make sure you ask your teacher before proceeding. But this means that we might be running short on the plastic that's in the reel. So I know there's enough for us, so I'm going to click yes. And it's going to start slicing, and it's going to make it go. This is going to start heating up here. You heard the 3D printer beep, and it's heating up the nozzle, and it's heating up the table. When this nozzle gets to 210 degrees, the printer is going to beep a couple of times, and then it's going to start printing. So you're going to have to be patient and wait for the 3D printer to get heated up, once again right here to 210 degrees, and then the 3D printer is going to start, and it's going to take about 35 minutes to print both of these rings that I have here. Congratulations. Wait for your 3D printer to finish. If you have any questions, make sure you go talk to your teacher.